Hello YouTube, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'll be teaching how you can make $5,000 profit per week by selling luxury brands at 10% of the actual cost. Okay, so let's dive into the video. So I found this method online and you can make some quick super money, okay, with guaranteed profit. Okay, now for this method you have three options. Okay, now this method requires one, no startup cost, and the other required a starting investment. Okay, now the third model, which is the third method, is the one I prefer, and I've done it to make over 10k in a month, but I recommend you try the first two. Okay, so there's a website called colareps.com and they sell one-to-one replicas of top luxury goods for a fraction of the retail cost. Okay, so get them cheap and sell them high price for those who want luxury brands at low price. Okay, and use this word to replace the word replica when selling. You can use an alternative, affordable version, lookalike, tribute version, style match. Okay, all right, so for the method one, starting with investment. Okay, so this one is ideal for people who want to own their own inventory and ship themselves. Okay, so step one, you go to colareps.com and show you have your SOC 5 connected or your VPN. You browse your catalog, for example, sneakers, clothing, bags, watches. Now you choose high demand items, popular brands like Nike, Yeezy, Rolex, etc. So second step, you place your first order, buy a few items between $100 to $500, recommended starting budget. Now use their payment option, anyone which is comfortable, okay for you. Then you pay for the product. Then make sure to save the product description and also save the product images, as you'll be needing these. You'll be needing all of this for the next step. Okay, so here I am on the site. This is colareps.com. You can see I have my VPN connected to Miami. Okay, so it's all in USD. Okay, so yeah, this is the website. So like I explained before, you want to browse high demand items. Okay, like Rolex, Nike, Yeezy, and some designer items. As you can see, this website says it makes the best replica of high-end designer items. Okay, and I guarantee you the replica are actually very good quality, very durable, and you can actually sell them. Okay, so I'm just going to browse the website catalog. As you can see, you see several items. I recommend you go check the website yourself and actually apply this method yourself. There's literally a whole bunch of items. There are replicas of actual high-end luxury items. You can see this Gucci tote bag, the Rolex replica, Air Jordan. Okay, so what I'm going to do is try to narrow down my search to basically high-end goods, Nike, Yeezy, Rolex, and a bunch of other items which I will either pay for or just have their images saved, for to sell later. The whole idea is this first method, you starting with an investment. You can start with $100 to 500. So I'm going to narrow down my search. You just tick the items, the boxes on the left for the brand or the brands which you're interested in. Okay, so basically what you want to do is buy probably one or two items. Okay, these are high-end luxury items. What I advise you do is this: when you find an item you're interested in on Colareps, you can go to the brand's official website and check the actual price of the item. Okay, and then you'll see that it's probably four times less the actual item price on Colareps. So when you buy from Colareps, you can actually sell at the actual price of the luxury item or probably two times the price, which still gives you pretty reasonable profit. So I'll just take a little more time to look through the catalog. Okay, so I basically chose Nike, Gucci, Air Jordans. So you can see all of this designer shoes, and I guarantee you they're actual replicas of the real designers. Okay, so you just want to go to Colareps, look for the replica item you're interested in, then you go to the official website of the brand. Now you want to look for that particular item and see its actual price. Okay, now take note, when you pay for an item on Cola Reps, it's delivered with packaging. Okay, so it doesn't just come like a second made item. It actually comes and it looks like the original brand. Okay, it comes with good packaging and everything. Okay, so you can actually see the shoes, you can see the Air Jordans, you can see the Nikes. These are all quality replicas. I guarantee you can actually go and verify yourself. Go to the official website of the brands and you can see for yourself. Okay, so I just wanted to show you Cola apps, like, and you can see it live. All right, so now, step 3, you're going to have to create an online shop. You can use Shopify, Jumia, Kiku, or an Instagram store. You upload the products you ordered, use photos from Cola apps or your own, add attractive descriptions and clear pricing. Okay, then step 4, you promote your store, post on social media, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, offer limited stocks, premium quality. Okay, now get testimonial from early buyers. Step 5, handle orders and delivery. When someone buys, you already have the item, so ship it to them directly. You can use local delivery services like DHL, GIG, or bike delivery. Okay, so that's like a summary of the first model. Okay, basically just purchase your replica item, create your online store, upload, promote, and then deliver. Okay, so now the profit. So if you buy a sneaker for like $60 and sell it for 400, you keep a profit of $340. Okay, repeat and reinvest, and profit grows. Okay, so when you just repeat this method, it just keeps giving you more profit. Okay, so the model 2, no startup cost. Okay, so this is basically like drop shipping. I'm sure you must have heard of drop shipping. Okay, now this is ideal for people with zero capital. You sell first, you buy later. Okay, so for this model, basically just open a seller account. You can use eBay, you can use Amazon, you can use Kiku or Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so set up a seller account, set up a seller profile with your location, your contact, and your payment method. Okay, now find products on Cola apps, copy product images and descriptions, upload them to your eBay, your Amazon store. Okay, now with your price, for example, if Cola apps sells for like 70, you list at like $200 plus. Okay, so you definitely get your profits. And in this method, you do not need any capital to start. You just need to go to Cola apps, get the replica items, create an online store, get demands, and deliver. Okay, so now you promote, wait for your orders, share your listings on social media, WhatsApp group, or run ads. And I would strongly recommend you run promoted ads. Okay, if you're using Shopify or any other online store, promoted ads will be best for you, get good results. Okay, now order from Cola apps and ship it directly to customer. Okay, go back to Cola apps, place your order using your buyer's name and address. Cola apps will ship straight to your buyer's address, and it comes with original packaging like I said earlier, and the label looks perfect. Okay, good. All right, so now you paid $60 Cola apps. Okay, your buyer paid $400, you get a profit of 340. No need to hold stock or spend upfront. Okay, now for the model 3, this is for those that are looking to scale to at least 100k dollars. Okay, if you're interested in model 3, kindly send me a DM for all of the tutorial using the model 3, which is the third method. So if you enjoyed this video, like the video, hit your subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you do not miss my next video tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.